Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Just coming to you with this concept that I've created. These are my pumpkin candles. I wanted to bring a little slice of elegance, and don't worry, my candles include instructions on removing the florals before you light the candles. So these beautiful decorative pieces are in the pumpkin spice scents as well as the apple spice scents. I also made these wax melts using my molds. And these are just more items that I will have on my table. I love doing the handmade wax melts because the molds I have just make them really stand out. But these candles are very pretty, and I will be making a few more of these to decorate my table with. I used the picks that I picked up from Dollar General as well as Dollar Tree, and I'll be going back to get some more of those picks because I actually am running out of them. And these wax melt molds, I ordered these off of Temu quite some time ago. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.